Kailangan doon din ha. Dito nga sa AdSense, needs attention. Identity verification. Your ads have stopped serving as we couldn't verify some of your information. Joy din, bumalik ka dito sa AdSense. Tingnan mo daw kung ano yung pinagpipill up mo. Tapos picturean mo sa akin. Kasi baka may mali ka, nagpula kasi siya needs attention daw. Some of your information, hindi daw ma-verify yung information mo. Baka sa address, sa ITR, sa passbook, kasi meron yun doon. Ako rin natagalan din ako dito, sa passbook naman ako natagalan. Yung bank book, hindi ba to babalik naman yung channel mo, yung anuhin mo lang yung verification mo, kasi may mali ka siguro yung inano doon. Hindi daw, o-open mo daw itong need attention, pindutin mo tong pink na to, naka-pink na need attention. O kaya kung hindi mo siya ma-open, dito ka sa learn more. To start earnings for AdSense, you'll need to add your payments info and connect your site. Andyan ka pa, Joy, din? Sa Chrome ka magbukas, sa Chrome. Buksan mo yung Chrome mo, doon mo doon ka mag sign in. Oo, hindi naman to nagkamali ka lang siguro doon sa sabi nila, kaso nahiya naman ako mag-ayos. Hindi, madali lang 'to. Balikan mo 'tong naka-pink na needs attention kasi titignan mo kung ano yung attention na sinasabi niya. Magpi-pink kasi yung mga mali do'n, Tapos picturean mo daw, pindutin mo muna yung need attention, napipindot yan kung magbubukas, yung pinagpi-fill up mo lalabas doon. Madali lang 'to, hindi naman 'to hindi ka naman over-reuse or what, Sa information lang naman 'to, payment information mo. Tapos kailangan mo may ID ka, ha? Kailangan ID, picture ID. Ano pa ba? Government ID, ha? Government ID. Yung talagang sa gobyerno na ID para ma-identify ka nila. Kasi baka yung ID mo, anong nilabas mong ID? Hindi ko lang alam kung anong nilabas mong ID. Maingay kasi si Google AdSense, Bilis man nun, nawala man. So, I have to end my live. Sorry to i-text mo ako, Joy, then is i-picturean mo yung picturean mo, pindutin mo yung need attention tapos picturean mo kung saan doon ang nagpula. Makikita mo yun. Madali lang naman to, anuhin mo lang, tutukan mo lang kasi minsan mahaba yung mga ni AdSense, maraming tanong. Lahat yun pipil-upan mo kasi lahat yun, wag mo babablangkuhan. Kasi pag binlangkuhan mo yan, magpupula. Tikol, second time around watching your video because it's finished and then jump to another videos, to another account. So I didn't put an timer. So I watch again your video, Tikol. Please thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. It's okay, darling. No worries. No worries, Tikol. I will end already my live stream here. And 2 million amazing people na natitira dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ate Or, Rose, Simply My Loves, Jenny Mix Vlog, maraming salamat. Kuya Au, Butang, maraming salamat. Sino pa ba? Ka-Vibes, maraming salamat. Ate Or, mag-end na po ako. 2 hours and 15 minutes. And Tikol, First Responder Garage, thank you for supporting Janet 25 Vlog. And happy Thursday to each and everyone. Happy Valentine's. And don't forget, members, please join our member live stream in Janet 25 Vlog at 5 p.m. Philippine time, 6 p.m. in Japan time. And see you there. See you at Deb. And then we have also our telling storytelling letter. Please join your story of your love story. I go to pins. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Tikol. It's okay, Tikol. You're busy. Don't worry. It's not a problem. It's okay. No worries. Just go on to your work. And don't forget, if you have any stories until tonight at midnight. Until midnight po ang ating telling story. So, kung meron po kayong mga love letter story o love letter telling dyan, na mga love story niyan ng kabataan o kung kailan yan man o basta story nyo na totoo na nangyari sa buhay nyo, tapos maglagay lang po kayo ng alias, magwe-wait po si host Janet sa messenger account ko, Janet Sem. Just send your story, love story, para sa ating pong Valentine's presentation. At ibabasahin po namin yan sa February 15. Yan, sa February 15 po, 12 noon, sa tanghali, Kape and Chika live stream. Babasahin po natin yun. Pero naka-StreamYard po ako sa ating February 15, 12 noon, ang ating basa-basa ng ating mga story. 4 na po ang ating entry ngayon. We have 4 entry. So, magpipili po ako at ang isa kong kasama, pipiliin po namin kung sino mananalo sa storya na yon. Okay? Okay ba tayo doon? Okay ba sa all right? So, need ko po, kung gusto niyo po sumali sa aking padarama effect ng aking Janet 25 vlog ng storytelling for Feb Ebig nating Valentine's presentation. And ang mananalo at mayroon po tayong consolation prize. Surprise po ang premyo natin. And don't forget, sa lahat po na magwa-watch sa ating live ng February 15, 12 noon, sa lahat po mag-umpisa hanggang sa dulo, mag-roulette po tayo or duck race or anything kung ano man ang may mananalo po sa inyo. Sa ating viewers, sa ating telling story ni Janet 25 vlog. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. And please share the live sa araw ng ating Valentine's presentation sa February 15. Share the live. And then ang storytelling until 12 midnight today. Until today lang po ang ating telling story. So we have 4 entries and magwe-wait po ako ng kung sino pang magbibigay ng telling story niya dyan sa buhay niya. Maraming salamat po. And put the alias po kayo sa inyong mga story para hindi po malaman na kayo yun. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata yoroshiku onegai shimasu. See you again. And Jane, bye. Thank you.